You guys know that Nadula hair are my people. When it comes to their wigs are always well made. The texture is always on point. Yeah, by the way, you guys, this wig is still glueless, so I don't have any glue on it. Hey guys, it is Nadula o'clock and I have this wig from Nadula hair. It is a 13x4 water wave wig. First impressions, this wig is quite full. Like when I touched it, it feels very full. I'm going to leave the details of the wig in the description box so I can check it out, but it feels very full. The texture feels very nice. Like this feels like very nice texture. Yeah, look at that texture, guys. Texture feels very nice. It is water wave texture. Look at how my fingers are just going through. The wig is very shiny, very nice. This is just my first impressions out of the box. And another interesting thing is that it comes with, look at the lace, you guys. This is a 13x4 lace, but it also has this bald cap that will help the wig to give scalp. Okay, this bald cap they put here, yeah, it's definitely a game changer. You can see how the wig was even constructed to lay flat on your head. This is such a well-made wig. Okay, that's one thing I would say about Nadula hair. Their wigs are always well made. Their wigs are always, you know, stressless. Okay, stressless. Yeah, very stressless wig. You can see the construction, and the cap is breathable. You have this extra elastic band, and then you have the drawstring. Yes, this drawstring is a game changer for any wig because it helps you secure the wig to your head without using glue, and it helps you adjust the wig to your head. So if you have a smaller head circumference, you know, the wig cap, you can adjust it to your head. And if you have a larger head, like let's say, you know, your head is bigger, or you have like thick cornrows underneath, it will still enter because of the large cap size that you can now adjust with this. Okay, this looks pretty nice. It looks pretty well made. It looks good. This texture is nice. Like, it's really, really nice. So I'll apply a bit of my contour shade so that it can blend with my forehead. Yeah. This wig is pretty. Some water wave wigs, when you get them, you need to, you know, comb them out, tame them and all of that. This one, just out of the box, is quite shiny, quite nice, very soft, easy to run your fingers through. I look pretty much ready, even though I haven't even glued hair down, but I look pretty much ready. So I'm just going to tighten the drawstring. And then tuck it underneath. Then that's it. Very neat. Even if breeze blows your wig, the back still looks very neat, and it now fits really snugly to my head. And this is in 24 inches, so it is quite long, but because it is a water wave wig, is wavy, that's why it stops here. Let me move back here. That's why it stops here, but it is quite long. No, just, am I talking too much? You guys, look at this wig. This wig is so gorgeous. I don't want to brush. I don't think I'll do anything to the hair. Like, I won't. Normally I'll brush the hair and then activate the coils again with water, but I don't think I want to do that. This time I want to just leave it as fluffy as it is. Okay, so let me put down the ear tabs. Okay, and look at the lace, you guys. Can you guys see this lace? See how the lace has disappeared? It's giving scalp already. I'm going to melt it a little bit, just, you know, for the effect. But if I wanted to go out like this, I'm pretty okay. Like, I can go out like this. Okay, so I'm done gluing the ear tabs, as you guys can see, and the edges look pretty blended, and I'm here for that. Okay, I'm here for that. So I'm just going to use a little bit of water just to tame it back, and I want it to dry quickly. That's why I don't want to even put any product on it. This is a proper water wave texture, so it's kind of wig that you can carry with you on vacation. You can take it with you whenever you want to go out and you don't want to stress, like you want to travel and you don't want to stress about restyling your wig, because this is quite easy to style. You guys saw what I just did. This is just water. Okay, if you want to do more paparazzi, you can add leave-in conditioner or mousse and all of that, but me, I just want to see the texture with just water, and this is what it looks like. And it's quite shiny. Can you guys see that shine? Like, it looks really nice. It doesn't even look like, you know, something that is just out of the box like this. All right guys, that's it for this wig. Such a pretty wig. I'm going to be going out like this. I think I want this hairstyle because I'm going to be up and about. I'm going to look at houses and I don't want the hair to be in my way, so I'm just going to pack it like this, and it's still giving. Okay, it's still giving, even though the hair is not let out, it's still giving. But yeah, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. It is from Nadula Hair. You guys know that Nadula Hair are my people when it comes to their wigs. Their wigs are always well made. The texture is always on point. Yeah, by the way, you guys, this wig is still glueless, so I don't have any glue on it. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.